Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I wanted to do a makeup tutorial that I saw on YouTube by Briana Marie. She did this 2 days ago. Today is Sunday. It is titled Extra AF Makeup Glam Happy Thanksgiving Briana Marie. So I will have a picture linked up there showing you guys how the makeup looks. And I'm going to try to recreate it. I only have one makeup palette I'm going to be using that I think I can manage to get that look. So if you want to see how that look turns out, keep on watching. Also, if you're new to my channel, check me out. I hope you join. So yeah, let's jump into this makeup look. Hey y'all, so this part would be a voiceover. Right now I am doing my eyebrows because I never do my eyebrows on camera. I want to start doing my eyebrows. So yeah, y'all. Also, all the products that I will be using will be in the description box. Next, I'm going in with my P. Louise Eye Base in Rumor 0.5. Alright, so both eyes are done. I'm going to be using my Morphe James Charles palette. I have the mini palette to try to recreate this look. So this might be a voiceover so that I can watch my YouTube videos that I have saved. So yeah, girl, just stay tuned. And then this is my mirror so that I can see what I'm doing. But yeah. Okay, so with this black, I'm doing the same thing that Briana did. She just made like a moon shape and she just packed the color in. Next, she took the purple. I did both those purples and I just put it on the outside of my eye at the end. And next, we're going to go in with that blue shade and we're going to put it on top of the black on the rest of the lid at the top. Y'all, while I was doing this, I was kind of getting discouraged because I was like, you know what, this is not looking nothing like what she is doing. But just keep at it, you will get it down. And next, we're going in with that pink shade and we're basically just going to put it on top of the purple. And the next thing you're going to see me looking like, girl, I don't know about this. So after this, I'm just adding in yellow. I think she did green, but it didn't look like that was the color that she did. So I just did the color that I thought would look like what I think it would look like. Next, I'm just cutting my crease. And when I cut my crease, I noticed that it was like a tannish gray color. So I ended up wiping it out and then recutted my crease because I just wanted to do it the same way she does. I normally don't do all that cutting out because to me, I don't really think it's necessary. And color to set her eyeshadow, so I'm going in with that color right there. Next, I am going in and I'm doing the shades for my lid. I did purple, green, and yellow. Next, I did my eyeliner. Now I'm about to add the glitter. Next, this is going to be a speed through. All the products, once again, will be in the description box. At this scene, I had forgot that I was not recording, but I did pink at the end, purple in the middle, and blue in the inner tear duct. Next, I'm doing my highlight. The next part is the black lips. Hey y'all, so I am back with the final look. Also, don't forget to check out my nails. I did do a black lip and I ended up putting some black glitter. I think I got this from Hobby Lobby. This is like 2 years old. But yeah, I put some glitter lips on and voila, here's the final look. So I think I did a pretty good job with recreating the look. So that is all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.